Guide for Safely Flying Drones. Fully compatible with safety criteria. Part 1. General drone characteristics. How to choose and buy a drone. 1. What is a drone? A drone is a remote-controlled aircraft equipped with a video camera. The remote plus a mobile and dedicated software are used to display information and control the drone. The key drone flight parameters are distance, altitude, direction, GPS position, signal quality, flight duration, flight mode, surrounding obstacle. Those features vary by brand, production date, model. Many drones can be software updated to get new capabilities. Accessories usually included with the drone are dedicated remote controller, batteries and specific charger, bags and replacement propellers. 2. Factors influencing quality of flight. Flights are concerned by the following factors: drone weight, battery capacity, static obstacles, mountains, houses, trees, bridges, power lines, moving obstacles, other aircraft, ships, vehicles, animals, birds, signal lost due to distance, telecom tower, high voltage lines, environment, temperature, humidity, wind speed, wind direction, visibility, light condition, day, night, and drone pilot flying skills. 3. Choosing the right drone. Define your goal. Beginner drone. Get a simple drone, low cost, lightweight, less than 250 grams. No defects to ensure safety, flying in proximity. The second drone. More features at reasonable cost. Flying in line of sight. Average flight duration 15 minutes. Recording HD video. GPS positioning. Less than 500 grams. Filmmaking drones. Choose one with 4K resolution to get the best video quality. This type of drone is more expensive, but the smart features contribute to provide nice movies. The operator should have some photography skills to fully take advantage of his drone. FPV drones. The FPV flying activity is very interesting but requires strong piloting experience, practices, high accuracy, and fast reflexes. The FPV drone goes with a goggle, which provides the feeling of flying in the air. However, it could cause some nauseous or fall over. Get assisted during a FPV flight is highly recommended. Agricultural and professional drones. Agricultural and other professional drone piloting skills are specifically trained and certified by the provider. In addition, for safety reason, it is necessary to obtain a license from the authorities. This topic is not part of this guide. 4. Where to buy a drone. Prior to purchase any drone, it is recommended to have a look at drone evaluation and review clip available online. Drones can be bought from many sources. Price are usually linked to its quality. Specialized drone stores. Chain stores are often present in large cities and new models are usually available. Sales teams are very helpful for the best customer experience. Promotions can happen on holiday or other events. New drone acquired at store usually benefit a 1-year warranty. Online store and classifieds. The online communities present on social networks are very active. Some are specialized in trading and exchanging used drones. Fresh used drones at soft prices are usually sold the same day. Classifieds are not really focused on drones. The community is quite helpful and can provide some useful advice. To ensure a successful transaction, it is recommended to check the goods on site before buying. Warning: scammers as pretending customer could try to seize the property or steal banking information. 5. Where to buy accessories. To customize your drone, accessories are available at specialized drone stores. Here, it is possible to find branded accessories but a bit costly. The accessories offer is not too diverse, but their quality can be checked. It is recommended to buy key accessories like batteries at the branded store. Online stores. Online. Many accessories originating from China are widely sold. Large price range for the same product can be observed. It is recommended to compare and check before ordering. The product quality can only be checked at the delivery. Part 2. Useful flight safety recommendations to avoid unnecessary risks. Checklist to accomplish. Before flying, while flying, and once landed. 6. After buying a drone. Studying and understanding the drone features. Read the manual carefully, find complementary data, cross-check information. Update to the latest software version. Find an advisor, watch the setting instruction video. Check maps and where you're supposed to take off for the first time. Fully charge the drone battery and remote controller. Technical inspection. With no propeller installed. Turn on the controller, complete the boot, and then turn on the drone. Check the connection between drone and controller. Check the quality of images received. Ensure the drone respond correctly to remote commands. Calibrate drone compass and inertial sensor if available. 7. The day before flying. Review areas expected to fly on maps and on site. Fully charge drone batteries, controllers, and mobile phones. Prepare memory card capacity enough to perform video recording. Prepare sufficient battery capacity for all flights. Update the software and test new functions. Pack and store the drone carefully. Contact flight managers and authorities to avoid violating local regulations. 8. Preparation prior to takeoff. Greet the manager and local authorities before assembling the drone. Absolutely comply with regulations and requirements of local authorities. Be friendly to local people, share the flight plan. Technical preparation steps. Choose a flat and clean place to test and assemble the drone. Check the drone and remote controller to detect potential defect. Ensure maximum battery capacity on drones, controllers, and mobile phones. Make sure the memory card capacity is sufficient for recording. Connect the phone to the controller, activate the software. Turn on the controller, complete the startup operation, and then turn on the drone. Check the connection between the drone and the controller. Check the quality of images received. Ensure the drone respond correctly to the remote commands. Calibrate the compass and drone GPS sensor if there is a warning. Estimate the flight distance max, based on battery capacity, environment, wind power and wind direction. Define the flight itinerary matching with carried battery capacity. Prepare the landing site and a backup plan. Make sure that someone can help when required. Decision not to fly. Packing and back to home. When flight safety conditions are not met. When not allowed. When the drone has abnormal behavior. Decision to fly. Avoid last-minute software updates. Adjust the camera parameters to suit the light environment. Adjust the remote control parameters to suit the flight target. Check the drone and controller GPS position. Install the propeller and check the surrounding the takeoff zone. Turn off phone calls receiving function. Ensure the takeoff direction is obstacle-free. Ensure the return to home point is clear. Avoid getting to a crowded flying object area. Share the flight plan to flight manager. Inform the manager and people that the drone is about to take off. 9. Safety in flight. Recommended. Choose a wide open and obstacle-clear area. Execute the flight as planned. Notify change when required. Continuously monitor the drone location on map. Continuously monitor battery capacity. Activate obstacle detection mode. Apply appropriate flight speed. Apply smart flight mode, automatic flight mode to assist complex maneuvers. Hover at low altitude when required to handle a sudden event or adjust flight parameters. Activate automatic return to home when necessary. Land or leave the area crowded with flying objects. Adjust distance and altitude function of remaining battery. Head to home before being warned for low battery. Keep focus on drone piloting. Should be avoided. Flying indoors. Flying on top of the crowd. Flying at people level increasing risk of injury. Flying above authorized altitude. Flying behind or out of sight of the operator. Flying close to obstacle. Flying above the intended distance. Flying far from shore, against the wind with a low battery. Flying far away with poor signal. Flying at low light condition. Flying in rainy and windy weather. Quitting the planned flight zone, exploring uncharted places. When the outdoor temperature is above 40 degrees Celsius or below 0 degrees Celsius. Taking off from a moving point such as boats, cars. Image transmission lost, impacting the piloting capabilities. Installing additional equipment that increases weight or impacts flight function. Trying to fly that laps. Get distracted by peripheral events. It is strictly forbidden to. Causing loss of flight safety, traffic safety. Violating the no-fly zone. Violating national security. Violating privacy. Recording forbidden events. Using drones for illegal activities. Using drones as a weapon. 10. Preparation prior to landing. Any flying object must land at a moment. The landing speed determines the flying object integrity. Landing operation must be prepared before any takes off. GPS drones often has smart capabilities such as hovering, return to home, return to controller position, automatic safe landing. Recommended. Landing in spacious, flat, cleared areas, with sufficient battery capacity for a safer operation. Reduce the horizontal flight speed to 0, limit the landing speed when approaching ground. Informing people around that the drone is about to land. Should be avoided. Landing on a moving vehicle. Landing on water, rivers and lakes, under cliffs, treetops. Landing in a crowded area. Landing on a slope. 11. After landing. Physical inspection of the drone. Detect potential damage caused by impact. Turn off the drone and remove the battery for quicker heat dissipation. Turn off the controller and phone to save battery. Wait for the devices to cool down before flying on. 12. After achieving all the flights. Disassemble the equipment, check for defects, sort, pack and transport cautiously. Inform the manager, the authorities that your flights are completed. Avoid doing last flight for any reason. 13. Drone repair. Branded stores always have drone repair service with genuine parts. Some professionals also provide high-quality services. When drones models are common, many sources of accessories are available. Battery cells replacement services can be found at reasonable cost, usually less than half the price of. Hope this video has brought useful information to you. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe to our channel for receiving another new stuffs.